This 2020 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2106 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Skylight, carbon monoxide detector, TV, refrigerator, smoke detector, slide-out, water heater, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2106 FBS is 3,705 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.